From humble green origins, a transformation begins. Heat awakens the hidden flavors. Science and art collide in every bean. The moment everything changes, first crack. Fresh from the fire, a pure aroma unleashed. From bean to irresistible grounds. This is the hidden world of coffee, and today you see every step.
It all begins in the misty highlands, where ripe red coffee cherries are carefully hand-harvested for the finest quality beans.
Only the perfectly ripe cherries are selected to ensure superior flavor in the final cup.
In the wet process, cherries are pulped to reveal the mucilage-covered beans ready for fermentation.
Fermentation develops the bright acidity that defines high-quality washed coffee.
Thorough washing removes all traces of mucilage, preparing the beans for slow sun-drying.
Slow sun-drying on elevated beds preserves delicate flavors while reducing moisture to safe levels.
Dried parchment beans are carefully bagged and prepared for transport to the dry mill.
Loaded trucks carry the precious cargo from remote farms to large-scale processing facilities. These beans journey from high-altitude farms to modern roasting plants.
Upon arrival, the parchment beans are unloaded for the dry milling stage.
The parchment is removed in the dry mill to reveal the green coffee beans inside. Hulling strips away the protective parchment layer, exposing the valuable green coffee beans.
At the dry mill entry, green beans undergo initial cleaning to remove impurities before further processing.
Gravity and density sorting ensures only uniform, high-quality green beans proceed.
Advanced optical technology scans and removes any off-color or defective beans for consistent quality. Green beans are stored in massive silos, ready for roasting at any time.
The green beans are precisely loaded into high-capacity roasters for the transformative roasting process.
Inside the drum, intense heat begins the journey from green to aromatic roasted coffee.
Multi-stage vibratory screens remove heavy impurities like stones and twigs from the green beans.
Air-assisted destoning ensures no heavy contaminants remain before optical sorting.
State-of-the-art optical sorters detect and remove any visual defects for uniform quality.
Beans from various origins are blended and stored in silos to maintain consistent flavor profiles.
Final moisture and density checks ensure beans are perfectly prepared for roasting. The green beans are now loaded into the roaster, ready for the transformative heat process. The roasting begins with controlled heat, turning green beans golden yellow in the drying phase. The Maillard reaction develops complex flavors as beans turn from yellow to light brown.
First crack signals the beans are expanding and developing acidity, a critical milestone.
Development time fine-tunes the roast from medium to dark, building baju and sweetness. The roast is complete. Beans drop hot and aromatic into the cooling phase. Immediate cooling stops the roast and locks in the perfect flavor profile. Post-roast destoning removes any final impurities that survived the heat.
Degassing allows carbon dioxide to escape, preserving fresh flavor before grinding.
Burr grinders produce consistent particle size for optimal extraction and flavor. Precise blending combines roasts for balanced, consistent flavor profiles. Metal detection ensures no foreign objects reach the final package.
The transformed coffee is now ready for high-speed packaging into fresh bags.
Pneumatic systems transport roasted beans efficiently across the facility without damage. Robotic filling stations deliver precise, consistent weights at high volume.
One-way valves and perfect seals keep coffee fresh for months on the shelf.
Fully automated case packing creates neat, ready-to-ship cartons.
High-tech palletizing robots ensure stable, damage-free stacks for shipping. Final stretch wrapping and coating provide protection and full traceability. Precision check weighers and detectors ensure every bag meets exact weight and safety standards. High-tech vision systems catch even minor imperfections for flawless presentation. Shrink overwrap adds an extra layer of protection and premium shelf appeal. Precision labeling and coating provide complete traceability from bean to bag.
Automated accumulation creates perfect layers ready for robotic palletizing.
Final hooding and wrapping ensure pallets arrive in perfect condition worldwide. Rigorous random sampling from every batch ensures consistent quality across production.
Expert cuppers evaluate flavor profile, aroma, and balance in real-time sensory testing.
Strict moisture control prevents clumping and preserves freshness in the final product. Advanced analyzers confirm grind consistency for optimal brewing extraction.
Extraction tests verify the coffee delivers balanced strength and flavor in every cup.
State-of-the-art lab analysis guarantees the coffee is safe, clean, and compliant with global standards.
Only batches passing every test receive final certification and proceed to storage.
Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouse racks for optimal freshness. Computer-controlled retrieval pulls exact orders quickly for customer shipment.
Orders are loaded efficiently into trucks and containers for global distribution.
All secure.
And this is how modern factories produce premium roasted coffee from bean to bag.
From Highland farms to your morning cup, this is the full journey of modern coffee production.